Hello humans, and welcome to Plants Per Serving. Today we'll be making sausage pinwheels, made from plants, of course. But first we're going to whip up a little vegan Bisquick mix. I used all-purpose flour. You're going to want 2 cups, throw it in a blender. I used aluminum-free baking powder. You're going to want 3 teaspoons. Guess what? Throw it in a blender. 1 teaspoon of salt, throw it in a blender. Grab your canola oil. You're going to want 2 tablespoons of this. You're not going to throw it. You're going to want to drizzle it around the edges so it's evenly dispersed. Blend it up. It's going to be kind of a little crumbly mixture. Awesome. Throw it in a bowl. 2/3 cup of oat milk. You're going to want to stir that up until it gets into a dough. I use my hands a little bit to cheat it along. Take the ball of dough, throw it on a floury surface. You're going to knead it 10 times, start rolling it out. This part was hard. It's kind of a dry dough. Get it looking like this, similar thickness. I used the Gimme Lean Light Life sausage. If you have wax paper, this part would be easier, but I didn't, so I just greased up a couple pieces of aluminum foil. You roll it out, take one off, flip it over, throw it on the dough, and then you're going to make your pinwheels. Roll it up. I saved a little piece to patch some holes, and then put like that. You're going to refrigerate it for an hour, and then you're just going to slice it up into like little 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch pieces. Throw them on your dirty pan. I baked some bread last night. Sorry about that. Bake it for 15 minutes and voila, these things were tasty. They reminded me of my childhood. Thug Kitchen 101. If you guys don't have this book, we're going to be giving it away at the 500 subscriber mark. This book gives you everything you need to start cooking plant-based foods. It helps you set up your kitchen, your pantry. Gives you the basics of everything you're going to need to start living a healthier lifestyle and eating nothing but plants. So please, again, like, subscribe, comment, tell me what I did wrong. We're going to make a lot of these videos. We're going to get better as we go. Thanks, y'all.